I go back to like McGrath and Ricky Johnson and David Bailey and Stanton and you know, these long lists of this huge history. You see your bike, you see the 41 on the plates. I kind of have to pinch myself. I want to make the best of it and never lose that feeling of seeing the 41 on an American Honda and just having a big smile about it.
Signing with Team Honda, to me, was like surreal. Like, I couldn't really believe it. Never thought that I'd have, you know, a factory ride, let alone a factory Honda ride. I feel really honored to be a part of the team. They have so much experience and so much knowledge. I'm excited, really excited to be a full-time 450 guy now. The 450 has always just suited my riding style really well. It just makes my job really easy riding the thing. The goal for the Supercross season, just gonna come out swinging, really. I'd like to say I want to be a top 5 guy, but at the same time, you know, winning is right there.
The 2015 CRF 450 is an incredible bike. They've really tailored this motorcycle to fit who I am and the way that I ride it and what I do, and they're behind me for who I am and what I'm about. And yeah, the team has done an outstanding job. Testing is extremely vital. You see the mechanics, you see the engineers, you see the suspension techs. Everyone genuinely wants to see you do well. My big goal is to come up with a really good setting, a really good comfort level on the bike, and just tweak it from there. I feel like the bike's in a really good place. The testing that we have done has paid off. The entire company is excited about racing and looking forward to it. So hopefully we give them something to continue to be excited about.